Well, I'm here to work on day 100 of the 100-day project. I'm really glad it's day 100. I really do not like this one I did yesterday. But we can't like them all. That's not the point. The point is to accomplish them all. And I will be working on another one here today. And then, I'll be working on something down the road. I always do. So I hope you'll keep watching my channel. I hope you are enjoying my channel. And what's happening with things from day to day. I hope you'll come back and visit, see what's next. I'm going to ask that if you haven't already subscribed, that you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this project. I'm going to go work, and I will talk to you all a little bit. And that, my dear folks, is the end of the 100-day project. I do want to bind these all into a book, and I will be working on that. I don't know exactly when, but as far as I'm concerned, it's an unfinished project if I don't get it done. So I'm going to, I have a couple of extra pages, so I am going to write a little bit about the project on my pages, on a page at least, and bind that into the book as well. I'm going to have to make covers, which I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do as far as making the covers go yet, but I probably am going to put the year, and I may not. I may just make a collage on the front cover. But one way or another, I have finished 100 collages in 100 days for the 100-day project. And I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go figure out what my next project for y'all should be. Let's see what our quote is. Let's hope it's a good one. Evolution and all hopes for a better world rest in the fearlessness and open-hearted vision of people who embrace life. John Lennon. It's interesting that we ended the project with a quote from John Lennon. Okay, guys, please, please, please consider doing this project. It was fun. Yes, it can be difficult to get through, but you don't have to do a video every day, or just do some little thing. Last year, all I did was a doodle every day. One little 4-inch doodle. That makes you happy. It's something creative every day. Write a fun sentence. Send a card. Something that you want to do that's creative and makes your day better. Anyways, I'm going to go. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.